Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yes, that's one reason. Okay, one story kung bakit Nak yung pangalan ko. May mo supposed to be Nikolai.
Tama.
Nikolai na.
Yeah, gusto ko yung Nicolay na. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day. Mami, nandito ba si Ate Hon?
Wala po. Nasa galaan.
Ano?
Nasa galaan. Nag-beach. Pero mamaya padating. Oh, how about me? Hey. Hindi outing. Birthday no classmate niya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ay, grabe naman. Nasobang siya ako. Nakakain ba to, tol? Ha? Ha? Thank you. Thank you, thank you. May paganyan pa. Thank you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you now. You are turning 1 year older. Make a wish and show them how to dream. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. We said at least it was worth the try.
What is esophagus?
It need to eat healthy.
Yeah, yeah. I can't hear you. What is ribs? Ribs.
The rib is kept protected by lungs and heart. Keep inhale and exhale. Tama na yan.
How about brain? Make it loud.
Alam ko na yun eh.
Brain.
The cerebellum has made of memory. It's controlled by the muscles and is think by boss.
What?
Both
word?
Is backbone that is help to walk and stand.
Why don't you let me stop by? The clock is ticking, running out of time. So we should party all night. So cover your eyes, I have a surprise. I hope you got a help.
Bunago. Let. Papasalamat ako sa mga nagbibigay ng pagkain, pinili, lahat dito. At saka nagpapasalamat po ako at na nagtungan pa rin ang hirap ng buhay. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito at nakumpleto kami. Maraming salamat po Panginoon. At sana ho, tuloy-tuloy na ang paggaling ko. Maraming salamat ulit. At ako yung pinagbigyan ka sa birthday kong darating. Advance. Maraming salamat po Panginoon. Ama namin, sumasalangit kami ngayon ang aming kakanin sa araw-araw at patawarin mo po kami sa aming mga sala para magpapatawad sa nagkakasala sa amin. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, Anak, Espiritu Santo, amen. Maraming salamat at Panginoon. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
If you wanna dance, if you want it all, you know that I'm the girl that you call. Boy, when you with me, I'll give you a taste, make it like your birthday every day. I know you like it sweet, so you can have your cake. Give you something good to celebrate. So make a wish.
Make a wish.
Make it like your birthday every day. I'll be your gift. Give this
A wish, kuya.
Wish ko kay nanay ay more birthdays to come, laging healthy. At sana huwag kang masyadong maglalakad para hindi ka magkasakit. Oo, masyado kang nakapagod. Happy birthday.
Siyempre,
Good health, sinanay.
Yes.
And more birthday.
Birthday to come. Ano sabi?
You, what is your wish?
Ano sasabihin mo sa akin?
Wish.
Ano? Wala ka pa
Wow. How about you? Wish kay nanay. Wish.
I wish to nanay is I hope she's have a good health and long life.
Ah, galing.
Good health kasi ang pangailangan tsaka
Tsaka dumami yung pera
happy
niya.
birthday na I love you.
Oh, Charmaine.
Kami, mag-wish ka.
Huwag ka magtago. Tatago ka.
Sabi mo, more birthdays to come and dumami yung pera niya. Oo.
Grabe na di ba?
Sige, sumama na.
Hindi mo lang.
Sana yung mga wishes.
Yun.
Happy birthday na.
Let's go, let's go.
Yay! Happy birthday, nanay.
Malabo lang yung mata ko. Malabo lang yung mata ko.
kanin na dito ah. I want lumpia ulit.
Ah, yung piyak. Paborito.